Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and let me show you how to virus scan your device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the security app. Okay, let's agree and tap on the security scan here. Okay, let's tap on agree again, and now let's wait a second because your device is scanning itself, and as you can see, after that time your device is telling you that everything looks good, but no worries, if it will detect any malware or any viruses, they will appear right here. You will be notified about them and your device will automatically delete them, so actually no worries. So that's all. This is how to scan your device in your Xiaomi Poco C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.